In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy, paste, and select all using keyboard shortcuts in Windows. These are some of the most useful shortcuts you can learn because they work in almost every program, web browsers, Word documents, email, and even many apps you download from the store. Once you get used to them, they'll save you a lot of time compared to always using the mouse. Let's start with how to select text using your keyboard. First, place your cursor where you want to start. You can do this by clicking with your mouse or by using the arrow keys to move around. Once your cursor is in position, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while keeping it held, press the left or right arrow keys. You'll see the text start to highlight. Keep tapping the arrows to highlight exactly what you want. This works in documents, address bars, search boxes, and more. Now that you know how to select text, let's move on to copying. With the text already highlighted, hold down the Ctrl key and then press the letter C once. You don't usually see anything change on screen, but that selection has now been copied to your clipboard. You can think of the clipboard as a temporary storage area inside Windows that holds whatever you just copied. Next, let's paste what you copied. Click or move your cursor to the place where you want the text to appear. Once the cursor is there, hold down the Ctrl key again, and this time, press the letter V. The text you copied will instantly appear. You can paste the same copied text multiple times, in different places, until you copy something new. Sometimes, instead of copying, you might want to cut text, which removes it from the original place and lets you paste it somewhere else. To do this, highlight your text like before, then hold Ctrl and press X. The text disappears from that spot, but it's stored on the clipboard. Move your cursor to the new location and press Ctrl V to paste it. Finally, here's how to select everything at once. This is helpful if you want to copy an entire document, a whole web page's text, or everything in a text box. Simply press Ctrl and A together. You'll see all the text become highlighted. From there, you can copy with Ctrl C, cut with Ctrl X, or even delete everything by pressing the Delete key. Practice these shortcuts a few times, and they'll quickly become second nature.